Hearts are the focus of Allah's attention among His servants, and they determine a person's fate in this world and the hereafter. Not all hearts are the same. Rather, they differ greatly. Some raise their owners to the highest ranks, while others plunge them to the lowest depths. The Holy Quran speaks of these hearts and presents us with various examples of them. First, the pure heart. The pure heart is the greatest risk a person can carry within them. It is the righteous heart that lives in serenity, carrying only sincere intentions and seeking only the truth and goodness for itself and others. It is a heart that knows no hatred and does not allow hatred to take root in it. It does not burden the soul with envy or jealousy. It is a balanced heart that is not dragged into the abyss by desires, nor tempted by temptations, no matter how dazzling they may be. Even if the world passes him by with all its difficulties, it does not break his inner serenity.
If his blessings increase, he does not become arrogant, and if they decrease, he does not despair, because he knows that his true value lies not in what he possesses, but in what his heart carries. A pure heart is a priceless treasure.
Secondly, the sick heart. This heart is more dangerous than it seems because it is indecisive and unstable. Sometimes it approaches the light and feels alert, then quickly returns to heedlessness and weakness. This heart is like a sick body that needs constant medication. Its medicine is knowledge that removes doubts, remembrance that revives the soul, and forgiveness that erases sins. The problem is that leaving it untreated makes it sicker until it is completely corrupted. But the beauty of it is that it is still alive and has a great chance of recovery if its owner strives and treats it continuously. Thirdly, the hardened heart hears the advice as if it does not concern him. He sees the calamities and lessons around him, yet he remains unaffected and unchanged. This hardness does not come suddenly, but accumulates over time due to frequent negligence and the accumulation of sins. With each passing day, the heart becomes like a stone, unyielding and unbreakable. Its owner lives in inner darkness, even if he appears smiling or successful. The most dangerous thing about hardness is that it robs a person of their humanity, turning them into a body that moves without a living soul. If they do not quickly take notice, this hardness may turn into complete inner death, after which they will feel nothing. Fourth, the sealed heart. This is the most difficult and dangerous type. It is a heart that has completely closed itself off and no longer affected by any words of truth. Its owner has long been far from guidance and has insisted on walking in heedlessness with no return until he has closed the doors on himself. You can imagine its owner as if he were living in a dark, closed room. Even though the world around him is lit up, he remains immersed in his inner darkness. In the end, you alone determine the type of your heart. The decision starts with you, and the result is up to you. The heart is not just an organ in the body. It is your deepest reality, and it is what writes your entire story in this life.